Find equation of tangent to y square is equal to 8x. Parabola is given. Inclined at 45 degree with x-axis. So some condition will be given. Tangent is passing through this point, or tangent inclined means slope of the tangent is given. Also find point of contact. So in this case, you can see this parabola is standard form. Either I can use y is equal to mx plus a upon m directly, or I can say that I have to find a equation of tangent whose slope is 1. So for solution, I will write m is equal to 1. Slope m is 1045. 1045 is 1. And y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 8x. So we compare with the y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax and y square is equal to 8x. That means a is equal to 2. So equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus a upon m. So this gives that y is equal to x plus a, 2 upon 1. This is the equation of tangent. Next, we have to find point of contact. So this y value I will put there. I will find their point of intersection. It must give the coinciding point. That means if I solve with this with the y square is equal to 8x, put y is equal to x plus 2. So x plus 2 square is equal to 8x. This gives x square plus 4x minus 8x. So minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this gives x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. That means I am having a coinciding point x equal to 2 comma 2, having a single root. It is not having two distinct roots. So this line will be tangent and the point of tangency will be x is equal to 2. This will also lie on this, because this is the tangent. So at point of tangency, this will lie on this curve also and parabola also. So if I put x equal to 2, I will get y is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So point P is 2 comma 4. This is the point of tangency. So this is the equation of tangent and this is the point of tangency.